Well, all right, everybody, welcome back. It is another episode of Tiki Talk and Backyard Adventures. Again, I am your bartender of the woods, John Carlo, also your host, where I get behind my Tiki Village bar and I make some cocktails. So today, it's a beautiful Friday. Let's make another drink. Come on, get behind the bar. All right, well, on today's menu, I'm thinking let's do a hurricane. Great drink, New Orleans specialty. If you've ever been to New Orleans, especially during Mardi Gras, you've probably had a couple of these, and there's a reason why they call it a hurricane, because you're getting blown all over the hill, all over the place. So it's a great drink. It's going to knock you on your ass. Just go ahead and make it happen. So first, we're going to get our shaker and our jigger, and we're going to build our cocktail. Let's get some, what are we going to get first? Do we want ice first, or we want the alcohol first? Let's go alcohol first. All right, so start off, we're going to go with an ounce and a half of a dark rum. I'm going with Myers Original Dark. We're also now going to go with an ounce and a half of a light rum or a white rum. I'm going with Plantation here. I love the rum drinks. They're just so good. All right. Now we're going to go with some passion fruit juice. We're going to go with 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. We're also now going to go with some freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to go 2 oranges here. Squeeze them oranges right on in. You can, of course, use regular bottled orange juice, canned orange juice, whatever. But again, down here at the Tiki, I love me some fresh produce. Again, one of these oranges. These are some nice big fat ones here too. Squeeze it on in there. There we go. Out the window. And some more juice. Fresh squeezed orange juice. Oh, we got a squirter there. Try to get it all in. Out the window. I'm going to save this other half for garnish. So we got 1.5 actually oranges in there. Now we're going to also squeeze a little lime in there too. All the little different citruses in there, just nice little flavor palette going on. Out the window she goes, and another half of that lime. There it is. All right, now we're going to go with about a half an ounce of grenadine and half an ounce of simple syrup, or again, I like using agave. It's a very sweet drink, hides all that rum, gives you a lot more fun down there in New Orleans. All right, there it is. So we got everything built in here. Let's put some ice in here. Come on, ice. There we go. Put our lid on this thing. Take it for a ride. There it is. Now we're going to get our glass, fill it with ice. Nice ice all the way in there. There it is. And this pour. Yum. Again, perfect pour. Now we're going to go ahead and put our straw. Got to have a little festive straw, a little curly Q straw. And we got to garnish. So, get some cherries. 2 cherries in there. 1, 2. And of course, a nice orange wedge. That's it. And there you have it. The beautiful, knock you on your ass, the hurricane. Damn. I think we need to rename that instead of the hurricane, God's money shot, because that shit's gonna blow you away. All right, so there it is. Well, till next time here at Tiki Talk and Backyard Adventures, y'all have a great day. Cheers. Mahalo. Let me tell you about the story of the hurricane. Damn, that shit's good.